6 dB after your low approach right close.
Here, John, pushing up a little.
We would like to welcome you to Hartford, Connecticut. The local time is approximately 1 o'clock. We will be taxiing for a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may not use your cell phones or other electronic devices until you have reached the gate. Before leaving, make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during the flight. For those of you that are connecting to another flight, all baggage checked at the counter or by U.S. Airways curbside representative will be transferred for you. Check the monitors inside the terminal for connecting gate information. If this is your final destination, you will pick up checked baggage in the baggage claim area. On behalf of all of us at Republic Airlines and U.S. Airways Express, we thank you for flying with us today. We truly appreciate your business and look forward to serving you on a future flight.